Welcome to luxury living in the heart of San Carlos. Step inside this expansive living area, perfect for both relaxation and entertainment. Cook and entertain in style with a state-of-the-art kitchen, complete with bar seating. Nearby, enjoy intimate dinners by the warm fireplace in your elegant dining area, or relax outside on an expansive patio. Retreat to one of 4 spacious bedrooms, each designed for ultimate comfort. Indulge in 2 beautifully designed modern bathrooms. Over 1,300 square feet of relaxing and entertaining space. Located in a sought-after San Carlos neighborhood, this is the perfect place to call home.